We've all been there. That scratchy, itchy feeling in the back of your throat signals the start of a common ailment, the sore throat. It's a sensation that can catch you off guard, often at the most inconvenient times. It can range from a mild annoyance to a painful experience that disrupts your daily life. Whether it's a slight tickle or a severe pain, it can make swallowing, talking, and even sleeping difficult. But what exactly causes this common complaint, and how can we find quick relief and prevent it from recurring? Understanding the root causes is the first step in managing and alleviating the discomfort. Sore throats are incredibly common, affecting millions of people each year. They don't discriminate, impacting people of all ages and backgrounds. They are one of the top reasons people visit their doctor or miss work or school. The impact on daily activities can be significant, leading to lost productivity and general discomfort. Understanding the causes and effective remedies can help you get back to feeling your best quickly. Simple home remedies and over-the-counter treatments can often provide relief. While a sore throat can be a symptom of a serious condition in rare cases, most are caused by common viruses and bacteria. Knowing when to seek medical attention is crucial. Other factors like dry air, allergies, and even smoke can irritate the throat and lead to discomfort. Environmental factors play a significant role in throat health. In this article, we will explore the various causes of sore throats, differentiate between viral and bacterial infections, and provide practical tips for quick relief and prevention. By understanding these aspects, you can take proactive steps to protect your throat and overall health. The vast majority of sore throats stem from viral infections. These are the same viruses responsible for the common cold, the flu, and more recently, COVID-19. These viruses spread through tiny droplets in the air when someone coughs or sneezes, making it easy to contract them in close quarters. Bacterial infections are another culprit behind sore throats. The most common bacterial infection is strep throat, caused by the Streptococcus bacteria. Unlike viral infections, strep throat often requires antibiotics for effective treatment. However, not all sore throats result from infections. Environmental irritants like dry air, cigarette smoke, and allergens like pollen and dust mites can also irritate the delicate tissues in your throat, leading to that familiar scratchy feeling. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, where stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, can also cause throat irritation. Distinguishing between a viral and bacterial sore throat is important, as it impacts treatment decisions. Viral sore throats typically resolve independently within a few days with rest and home remedies. Strep throat, however, requires antibiotics to prevent complications. So how can you tell the difference? Viral sore throats are often accompanied by other cold or flu symptoms like a runny nose, cough, congestion, and low-grade fever. On the other hand, strep throat often presents with a sudden severe sore throat, painful swallowing, fever, swollen lymph nodes in the neck, white patches on the tonsils, and sometimes a headache. It's important to note that these are just general guidelines, and self-diagnosis is never a substitute for professional medical advice. If you suspect strep throat or your sore throat is severe or doesn't improve after a few days, it's crucial to see your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. While waiting for your body to fight off the infection, several simple home remedies can effectively alleviate the discomfort of a sore throat. These remedies are easy to prepare and use ingredients that are often readily available in your kitchen. One of the most effective and readily available remedies is gargling with warm salt water. The salt helps draw out excess fluid from the inflamed tissues in the throat, reducing swelling and providing relief. To prepare, simply dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. Another soothing option is warm turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. To make this, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a glass of warm milk, and drink it before bedtime for the best results. These properties, combined with the soothing nature of warm milk, can help reduce inflammation and fight infection. This remedy not only soothes the throat but also boosts your immune system. Honey, a natural humectant, is well known for its soothing properties. It has been used for centuries to treat sore throats and coughs. It coats and soothes the irritated throat tissues, providing relief from pain and irritation. You can add honey to warm water or tea, or even take a spoonful directly. You can add honey to warm water or tea, or eat a spoonful directly for its soothing effects. This simple remedy can be repeated several times a day for continuous relief. Finally, sucking on lozenges can also provide relief. Lozenges stimulate saliva production, keeping the throat moist and reducing irritation. Lozenges stimulate saliva production, keeping the throat moist and reducing irritation. Some lozenges also contain menthol or eucalyptus, which have cooling and numbing effects that can further soothe a sore throat. Some lozenges also contain menthol or eucalyptus, which have cooling and numbing effects that can further soothe a sore throat. Remember, these remedies are meant to provide temporary relief and should be used in conjunction with proper medical advice if symptoms persist. In addition to home remedies, several over-the-counter medications can effectively relieve sore throat symptoms. Pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help reduce pain and fever. Throat sprays or lozenges containing local anesthetics like benzocaine or phenol can numb the throat, providing temporary pain relief. Decongestant nasal sprays can help shrink swollen nasal passages, making it easier to breathe if a stuffy nose accompanies your sore throat. However, using these medications as directed and for a short period is essential. Overusing certain medications like decongestant nasal sprays can lead to rebound congestion, making your symptoms worse in the long run. Section 6. Prevention. Your best defense against sore throats. While we can't entirely avoid getting sick, certain preventive measures can significantly reduce our risk of developing sore throats. It's important to be proactive about our health, especially during the colder months when illnesses are more prevalent. One of the most important things you can do is practice good hygiene. This means not only washing your hands but also being mindful of the surfaces you touch and keeping them clean. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after using the restroom, before eating, and after being in public places. Hand washing is a simple yet effective way to prevent the spread of germs. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially during cold and flu season. Drinking enough water helps maintain the body's natural defenses. Drinking plenty of fluids helps thin the mucus in your throat, making it easier to clear and reducing irritation. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Using a humidifier, especially during the dry winter months, can add moisture to the air and prevent your throat from drying out. This can be particularly helpful at night when the air tends to be drier. If you're a smoker, quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your throat health. Smoking not only irritates the throat but also weakens your immune system. Smoking irritates the throat and makes you more susceptible to infections. The chemicals in cigarettes can cause long-term damage to your respiratory system. Avoiding close contact with people who are sick can also help reduce your risk of infection. Wearing a mask in crowded places and practicing social distancing are effective ways to protect yourself. Section 7. When antibiotics are necessary and when they're not. Antibiotics are powerful medications that fight bacterial infections. However, they are ineffective against viral infections, which cause most sore throats. Taking antibiotics unnecessarily can lead to antibiotic resistance, making it harder to treat bacterial infections in the future. Your doctor will likely prescribe antibiotics if your sore throat is diagnosed as strep throat. It's crucial to take the entire course of antibiotics as prescribed, even if you start feeling better before completing the medication. This ensures that the bacteria are completely eradicated and reduces the risk of complications or recurrence. For viral sore throats, antibiotics are not necessary, and the best course of action is to rest, stay hydrated, and manage the symptoms with home remedies or over-the-counter medications. If your symptoms are severe or don't improve after a few days, it's essential to follow up with your doctor to rule out any other underlying conditions. Section 8. Natural boosters, licorice root and apple cider vinegar. In addition to the home remedies mentioned earlier, some natural substances can help soothe a sore throat and boost your body's natural defenses. Licorice root, for instance, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It contains glycyrrhizin, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and irritation in the throat. Apple cider vinegar is another natural remedy known for its antimicrobial properties. It can help fight off bacteria that may be contributing to your sore throat. You can gargle with a diluted solution of apple cider vinegar and water for a natural antiseptic effect. Remember that while these natural remedies can be helpful, they should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any concerns about your health, always consult with your healthcare provider. Section 9. Listen to your throat, a final word. A sore throat is a common ailment that most of us will experience at some point. While it can be a painful nuisance, understanding its causes, employing effective remedies, and taking preventive measures can help you find relief quickly and reduce your risk of future occurrences. Remember to stay hydrated, practice good hygiene, and consider natural remedies like saltwater gargles, turmeric milk, licorice root, and apple cider vinegar to soothe your throat and boost your body's natural defenses. If your sore throat is severe, persists for an extended period, or you suspect strep throat, seek prompt medical attention for proper diagnosis and treatment. By listening to your body and taking proactive steps, you can navigate sore throats effectively and get back to feeling your best.